Every belief system speaks a language, not just words, but permitted questions, acceptable doubts, and safe conclusions. What cannot be said slowly becomes unthinkable. Language does not just describe reality, it trims it. It decides what distinctions are visible, what causes are nameable, and what outcomes feel inevitable. Common sense. When language is narrowed, thought does not wander, and it circulates. Complex systems deserves complex language, but complexity is uncomfortable. So language compresses, patterns become slogans, causes become characters, processes become blame, and rhetoric spreads. Compression feels like understanding, but it's often relief through flattening complexity. Once a label exists for something, investigation into the abstraction stops. The word just does the work, the category carries the weight of it, explanation just becomes recitation, memory replaces analysis, and nothing new enters. Nothing old is challenged. Repeated language stabilizes itself. The same phrases, the same metaphors, the same conclusions are reached by different routes. Eventually, disagreement feels incoherent, not because it actually lacks merit, but because it does not speak to the dialect and it doesn't fit within the framework. To examine a belief is to challenge and interrupt its language, to ask, what does this word hide? What does it simplify away? What becomes unsayable once it's accepted? This is not destruction, this is reopening. Thought expands when language is looser, when words stop signaling allegiance and start pointing again. If something here feels slippery and hard to pin down and oddly familiar, that's not confusion. That's the space returning to the question of what are we doing here? Good luck with that.